Okay, so this is the walk from the Colorado Creek Hotel all the way down to the park entrance, which is for the hotel guests in the Hotel Gold River Hotel, which is just starting here, and the Colorado Creek behind us. This is the walk to the entrance at the back of the park for those hotels. You've also got Mansion de Lucy on the left hand side here, which is one of the newest hotels. It's got its own pool, and yeah, some great theming. Train, you can actually stay in this train station here if you're staying at the Hotel Gold River.
Thank you, Merle.
Another beautiful day here in Salou. So you got a little play area off to the left. That's Mansion de Lucy. There's also another hotel over here called Hotel Callahan's. Some more swimming pools over there for the Hotel Gold River. So yeah, these are Hotel Gold River pools, but you can use them in the other hotels as well. You can swap between the pools. Again, access to the pools down there. You can see them down the bottom. And in the background you can see Stampeder. So this area at night has a little bit of entertainment. You have Woody Woodpecker come out, a few bits and pieces. You get some drinks there. There's not that much entertainment in the hotels, but there doesn't need to be, because you're near the park and they have such good shows in the park. I think there's little bits for the kids, but nothing major, which is absolutely fine. And this is the main building for the Hotel Gold River. You've got the reception in there. There's a small shop. You can pick up a few bits and pieces in there. So you can stay in all of these. These are all hotel rooms for the Gold River. And here's the bridge to PortAventura Park. So hotel guests do get in half an hour earlier. There are a couple of rides open for you to take advantage of. But I think they're changeable rides, so there's no point telling you what they are. And there's the entrance, just there, and into the park to Far West, just through there. That's it. Thank you for watching.